Alright, so welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, the clipping away process I already did. It's the support from underneath this wheel well. You just want to, clip away, and then peel away, and then take an X-Acto knife and cut that plastic from underneath this wheel well. And then the final result should be this piece. So that should be the way it should be. Then you need to put some glue here. And I already glued some. I tried a video and I did it wrong. It is what it is. But I was able to salvage the parts. That's why I have some glue marks on it. So bear with me. And put this piece like so. Where this little wheel well piece looks like that. And while we're at it, let's put a little glue here and there. Typically I do wheels later, but I'll just put these wheels here. All right, so the front portion of that vehicle is looking pretty good. So up next is some interesting, what we need to do is put little glue on each one of these things here. And then you want to put a piece like that. So that's the way that should look. After all, that's the way that should look. So the next task that you can do is just place this middle piece in like that. So that's looking pretty good. Now, a little glue there. A little glue there. Let's try to place this wheel like so. Get the axle in the center of the wheel. Make sure the surface thing is flush with, the surface there. So there you go. There's the Fiat 626. And here's the bed you can glue on. Or it can come with a flatbed. Or covered. 3 different listings for those options. Available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.